This is Alexa. How are you doing today? Hey, hey, ooh, 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 ooh. Ready? Bum, 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 bum. 3, 2, 1. Bum, 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 bum. If you don't know, now you know.
Oh.
Hello, friends.
Nobody's here yet, Sebastian.
Hello, ghosts. Everybody say way-oh. Way-oh. Now say boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way-oh. Way-oh. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Everybody say way-oh. Way-oh. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say way-oh. Way-oh. Sub's right here, folks. Hi. You're doing the dishes. And I'm doing the cooking. Hi, friends. What's up? We went to school today, and I have a lot of homework, and I don't want to do it.
Me neither. Make sure you use your free spins.
Yeah, use those free spins. Invite those fans of your fans, and those fans of your fans.
Fans.
If you're a potato, what's good? If you're an avocado, what's good? Let's make some guacamole. By the way, friends and fans of friends of fans, everyone in betwizzle. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say, oh, if I had a drag name, it would be Guac. Holy moly! Do you like it? Just found out I got an A on my biology file. Good job. I'm highly jealous. I got my first 60, like I usually get like 70s, 80s, or 90s in my final marks for classes in university. And last semester I got my first 60. I got a 68 because this one teacher, she's really, really, really tough at marking and hated everything I did. She's so nice. Like, I love her as a teacher. But as a marker, she never really gave me a, what's the word I'm looking for? Easy ride. So yeah. Here's to I didn't fail, but like in my personal experience, that's like the worst grade. So it was like a fail for me. I had exams and I'm scared that I'm going to fail. Oh no, I'm feeling much better. Thank you, Elena. I remember you were sick. Yeah, I've been like kind of not posting on my Instagram stories that much in the last, like since 2020. Cause yeah, I got sick but don't worry. I'm like trying to plan a bunch of cool stuff for you all. Because, ooh, Seb just sent me a little cutie.
Yeah.
He looks so cute when you were blonde.
Know. Oh, I saw a photo of when I was blonde and I want to go blonde again.
Oh, for me, like, it's not even homework at this point. It's like, I need to write an entire book for school, so. We're just gonna take deep breaths. The most annoying thing is I want to be like making YouTube videos and makeup looks, and I have so many cool ideas for this year. And like I'm so excited to get back in the studio and make more music. And then I have so much homework that like I can't even like focus on that stuff right now. So it's like I don't know. I'm just gonna these next few days just work really hard on homework and hopefully get like a lot done. So I'm in for a boring couple like a week, but. Yeah, I posted a new video yesterday, if you guys didn't see. So did Sebi. And we also have a Spanish channel now.
Whoa!
So if you don't know, Seb already has like a Spanish channel.
But I never really used it.
Yeah, he didn't use it though.
So we're hoping it's different.
So we did a little rebrand. And now it's a Seb and Dion channel. It's our couples channel. And we're basically using it as a channel to teach me Spanish. As well as like doing fun videos in Spanish. So, if you're a Spanish speaker or you know anyone who is, go check out our new channel, Seb and Dion.
I'll add subtitles today, probably tonight. I haven't added them because I've been in school.
I know Carrie, K4 Ryan. I don't know. I'm sorry, I butchered your name. But I feel you. My whole family got sick, and then they got me sick, and then I got Seb sick, and then we got our friend sick. It's always a thing in winter.
It's the worst because like you literally always get sick when you're about to like start doing things. You're like for me it's always like either like I've been like not skipping the gym for a while or things like that, and I get sick so I have to miss the gym or things like that. It's so annoying.
If I'm making garlic bread, what do I preheat the oven to?
I think Alexa, if I'm making garlic bread, what should I preheat the oven to?
I'm gonna go to sleep. Have an amazing rest of your day. Jessica, have a great day. What's up, Elena? What's up, Riot? Brianna? What's up, Eternally His? Forever. So, yeah.
She didn't say her.
What was I talking about? I don't know. Sorry, friends. We just got back from school, so my brain's all kebab.
I guess like 350.
Okay. Can you bake it? When are you guys going to post a new TikTok? We just did about an hour ago.
We just posted a new TikTok. Go check it out.
It showed a little school adventure.
What our school is like.
Yeah. Our TikTok yesterday got like 500,000 views. The day before yesterday. It's the one where we're like, ba 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 da 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 da. And
it's good that I got the recognition because we were in the supermarket like an hour,
and everyone
just like everyone just kept walking behind us, and we're like,
we studied the art of marketing and such, basically, data analysis, a lot of cool stuff. It really what I love is Seb and I learn things that directly help us as creators, how to understand like the platforms that we create on. I'm doing like this huge essay about like understanding streaming platforms like Spotify, and as like a musician who's just starting out, it's like vital information for me to understand how the data sets on Spotify work. So I know that probably sounds boring to a lot of you, but it's honestly very valuable skills that we learn, and I am very proud of us for deciding to study this, because I think it'll pay off. The world is going in the direction that is related to what we learn, so yeah. Yeah, Seb's barbed wire chain that he got ripped off.
But we stand.
Yeah, no someone said that Ember said she loves it.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, I thought I was just getting ripped off. But then, like, if I had paid shipping and then waiting and then like fees like that, it would have been nothing.
Because we saw it on like webs online for like $5 or something. 15. But Seb spent 30. So you gotta. Oh yeah, we have Thursdays and Fridays off school, which is great because I can like get all my homework done those days, and then be able to like create videos, makeup looks, whatever, write music over the weekend. So,
and you can also use on Wednesday to work on the.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make a video about this. I'm having like a sober 2020. If you all know, you might have seen my stories. I party sometimes. It's just been a part of my life since I, attained the legal age of drinking. But in 2019, I didn't party as much as like I did the year before.
I know, we definitely like started
toned it down.
Like ever since like starting college, it was like we partied like every weekend. Then it was like almost every weekend. Then it was like
once a month.
Once a month.
But for me, it's like my 2020s. I have so many goals, and I have to finish school, and it's like the hardest like semester. So I just don't have space for partying, and I just think my life is moving in a direction where I feel more fulfilled from other things rather than partying. Like, so it's kind of
it's always more memorable when you like party, like. Because like if when I
party too often, it becomes redundant.
Yeah, it becomes so repetitive when we would party like every weekend. I was like, okay, now let's go here.
And I would use it as like a way to, instead of focusing on my goals and stuff, I would use it as a way to like forget about them and put them on the back shelf.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, I have homework, but I'm just gonna go party. Like, it's not healthy. So I'm really glad I'm growing up. What's your TikTok? Sebastian. SEBASDIO.
I mean, for my 21st.
Let's get 10,000 likes, guys.
For my 21st birthday, we're doing a big party, though.
Oh yeah, like we'll celebrate our birthdays and my sister's birthday, but that's only 3 times a year, so that's good. And like
the occasional.
I keep duetting your depressing December TikTok. Oh, thank you. Yeah, y'all go post TikToks with my new song, Depressing December. Actually, all of my songs are on TikTok, I believe. So if you want to do a TikTok to fluid, do it and then like tag me on your Instagram stories or something. Share it to your Instagram. Tag me so I can see it. If you tag me on your Instagram stories, I like repost that kind of stuff and I check them out because there's gonna be a new feature now where Instagram shows you that stuff. So yeah, it's easier for me to.
Also, if you want the Depressing December merch, get it before it's gone because it will not be restocked.
Yes, Carla, do it. I want to hear. Yeah, so Depressing December merch will not restock, but there's still some left. So if you want some cool merch,
I don't think
musical merch.
I don't think any of the sign right now will be restocked because like after it's all sold out, will probably come up with new ones.
Yeah, so like our current designs on the website will not be restocked because we'll be coming up with new ones. Not yet, like in a couple months maybe. So yeah. Wordsupply.com. If you're feeling like buying a t-shirt or a hoodie, we have really comfy hoodies. Oh, why are they in your drafts, Karis? I need to see them. I'm excited, Carla. I'm excited. Thank you for the like. What advice do you need? I'm just gonna have to put this soup in the pan, y'all, so give me a minute. And I have to prep the garlic bread. We got this loaf of bread today. It smells divine. Divine at the campo. Anybody watch Drag Race? Okay. Fun fact, I auditioned for season 2, but I didn't get on. Basically because, well, I think it's because, like, I half-assed my application, but it also could be because, like, I'm not really a drag performer. I just wanted to go on for fun. So I'm sure they're looking for people who are a little more serious about it. But yeah, oh my god, has anyone seen Glow Up on Netflix? That's a show that I would love to go on, so that'd be cool. Yes, Kareem. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. My username is actually Carl Azus. Okay, Carl Azus. What's that? How do I tell my mom I'm lesbian? The correct way. I don't really think there's a correct way.
Yeah, it's going to come out anyway.
Yeah, like it's different for everyone. Yeah. So yeah, just when it feels right, or when, I mean, it might never feel right because it's like a nerve-wracking thing, but that doesn't mean it's not possible. You just have to, you know, I don't know. Really just, I don't know, if you think your mom's going to be accepting, then just do it. If you don't think it's going to be accepting, then maybe
talk to her little by little.
Yeah, like maybe have like conversations about gay stuff to open up her mind, but don't like specifically say LGBT until you feel comfortable. You just be like, yo, I have this friend who's lesbian. See what they say. I don't know. Hope that helps a little bit. We're all here to send you love. The Sebastian family is an LGBT friendly zone. What's up?
Talk about Ellen DeGeneres.
Yeah, talk about Ellen. That's what I did. I was watching Ellen with my mom, and I was like, "Oh, she's lesbian," and I was like, "Yeah," and I was like, "And I'm bisexual," and she was like, "Oh," and I was like, "Uh-huh, that's that." Okay, sorry, y'all. I'm kind of cooking while I talk to you. I have Wordsupply merch already, and I'll buy more if I have the opportunity. Oh, thank you. I'm glad. I hope you like your merch. We work hard. Fun fact. Oh my god, Ron. How are you doing, Ron?
Ron! Yes!
Thank you so much. I hope you're having the best day. That was cute. I love me some pinatas.
Oh my god, we're 2,000 likes away from 10,000.
Oh, Seb and I hand pack. If you see over here. So we have all the merch stored here. We hand pack it all ourselves. For like Christmas, we sent cute little notes in the merch as like a little surprise. So yeah, we they're sent with love. It's not like you're getting it from a factory. We have nothing to do with it. Seb has designed like all of the designs for the merch, and then we like ship it ourselves and stuff. So you know, when you get that envelope the beautiful eco-friendly envelope that our merch comes in, know that we touched that. Just to send you some positivity.
On it.
Yeah,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Latte, we make sure that we have them all protected so Latte can't get cat hair on them. Because we actually had someone complain that there was cat hair on them once a long time ago.
But no, but that
Ron, that was so cute.
But that one's on the ones that I.
Yeah, that was like when we first started.
That was the ones that I embroidered.
Ron, so thank you so much. Seb, come kiss me. Ron sent a cute dolphin.
Oh, thank you, Ron.
Okay, I need
to we're at 14,000 likes.
I'm burning the pan, y'all.
Woo!
What are we at?
Ride a cowboy.
14,000? That's absolutely bonkers, it is.
Dude, you would make a great old lady.
A great old lady I would make. I would peruse the interwebs for all the greatest goodies and showcase them on my vlog channel. When you both are not busy, will you travel to England? Who knows? At this current point in time, we are too busy for that. But, you know, life goals is I release more music and it goes like hashtag viral. And then I can go on tour, and then I was born in England, so I'm fairly certain I would want to tour England. So yeah, that's like, you know, a goal for like maybe in like 2 or 3 years.
Thank you, Karis.
To tour and meet a bunch of you, because everyone's always asked us to do tours. So if like my music was successful enough to warrant touring, it'd be so cool, because like we would not only meet fans of my music, we would meet fans who have like, you know, been part of our lives through our YouTube channel and stuff for so many years, and like that's the most exciting thing. So maybe one day. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Oh, that's so cute. Very. What's that movie? What's that movie with the talking teapot from Disney? Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
Very Beauty and the Beast vibes. Thank you, Demi. Nikki tutorials came out today. I know. Oh my god, I was so like emotional. That's just so beautiful. It's sad how someone blackmailed her, but it's like a beautiful thing for her to share that story. And I bet she has such an influence on YouTube and to so many young people. So I think it's a very powerful thing. Thank you so much, Sour Patch Kid. Hope you're having a great day. If y'all haven't tried these, oh my god, they were on sale today, because usually they're like $5, which is $5 Canadian, which is expensive, I feel, for one can. But today they were $3.50, so that wasn't too bad. But they're lentil vegetable. Fire. Thank you, Slytherin. Okay, I need to prep this garlic bread real quick, so bear with me.
Yeah.
Leave that for a moment.
Oh, sorry, friends. I'm doing the dishes. Ow. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
I was just mentioning you both to make dinner, and I hope you guys get together. Oh my god, yeah, we're gonna see
Nick in a couple weeks for
each
Playlist
other
Live!
and Playlist. All the gays will reconnect.
We're gonna make a bunch of videos together because are they staying with us?
No. Well, it's like some days.
Yeah, we're gonna be together someday, so it's exciting.
Yeah.
What's for din din? We're having lentil veggie soup, Ron, and I'm making some garlic bread. And how I make the garlic bread, I put vegan butter, then some garlic, and some cheese.
Oh my god, I can't wait for Playlist either. We were like talking to a teacher because we're not gonna be here for a test. Oops, because it's
a midterm. It's like basically an exam. So I was really stressed she was gonna be mean about it, but she was so nice.
Me too. I was so stressed, but she was nice. So yay! You're matching. Yeah, I didn't realize we were matching until right now. Yep.
Butter my muffin. Would you like me to get somebody to help you butter your muffin?
You just buttered it.
Yeah, just hold it.
Okay.
Okay, for 1 sec.
Because
The cutting boards are all dirty, so I'm having a minor what?
Oh, nothing.
Girl, what you gonna say?
That instead of wait, is that garlic good?
What do you mean? Is it good?
Is it like not past its state?
Do you see what Sub does? People
What?
watches over, judges, and controls every move I make in the kitchen. When are you gonna learn? I'm a fantastic chef, boyardee.
Because we've had it on for a while now.
Girl, I can't afford new garlic. Yes, we have time. It's not. It doesn't go bad till March. I made Seb breakfast this morning, and he was like, "I loved it," and now he's all like,
so good.
criticizing me as if I'm.
Don't be careful with the knife.
Okay, come here.
Wait, no.
Hold the pot!
Grab it.
Hold the pot!
Where's the?
The oven's already preheated, Sebastian.
I know. I'm looking for a little.
I don't dance. I know you can.
Where are you gonna put it?
Yeah, don't dance with knives, kids.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'm being an awful example. What?
Where are you gonna put it?
I didn't ask that question.
Well, I'm asking you.
Seb, one thing at a
Yo,
time. One thing at a time, my
I'm
love.
gonna lick it.
No, garlic is bad for dogs,
That's
Mocha.
what I'm saying.
Okay, stay still, stay still. 1 second. Garlic has been clear.
No, there's more here.
It's like Monsters Inc. Claire!
Mozzarella thing.
No, Monsters Inc. The area is no longer contaminated. Oh, there's a stuff on his back! Ah! Anyways, now Seb has taken over. Like I told you.
What?
He does not think
I'm
I
helping
am capable at cooking.
Yes, I do.
But I am. I can cook all the time. I love to cook vegetables because I'm vegan. Sorry, I don't know. I think I had too much coffee.
Do you want garlic? I mean, garlic.
Oh, and now he's putting more ingredients on it. What in the hell are we gonna do now?
Do you want it or not?
I love these Christmas lights. Hate to be alone. Someone sent a musical note, so I had to do that. Thank you. I didn't get your name, but thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day. Frozen sight whenever you are gone. Kurt, what is up? It's depressing January because I'm broke. That was a remix. I joined your Patreon. I can't afford much, unfortunately, but I want to join. Oh, well, thank you for joining. I hope we make it worthwhile. We're definitely going to be working harder on Patreon this year. So, hope you're excited for that.
I couldn't find the garlic powder.
But yes. It's okay, baby. Like I said, I don't need your help. Jesus. How are you so talented? Thank you. Are you talking to Seth? Because clearly he's a talented cook here, not me, am I right? Yeah. It's the best in January because we're back in school. Oh shit. Gotta do homework, bitch. Sorry, pardon my language. How do y'all feel about influencers or like people you follow, YouTubers that you follow, whatever the case may be? How do you feel about them swearing? Because like in my day-to-day life, I don't swear that much, but like I don't not swear at all. But I try not to swear online, you know, just because some people might be like young.
I never thought about that. I always say bitch so much.
Yeah, bitch, you do say that a lot. That's true.
But like even like literally 24/7.
Oh, I'm glad. It was like a little birthday present for you, Deb. What, babe?
I like say bitch like 24/7.
Well, there's a lot of bitches in this world. Okay, let's just say that between the both of you collabing, you can cook up a storm. Exactly. We can cook up. Well, fun fact: the video on Seb's channel that we did with Nick and Anthony that went viral was my idea, and it was supposed to be on my channel.
God, Dion.
But then Nick was like, "Dion, I think you should do a prank." So I was like, "Okay, Seb, you can have my idea." So I think we're gonna have a round 2 of that video on my channel. What does everybody think? Can I get an amen? What? What's wrong?
Don't want to get dance. You okay?
You okay?
I just literally just touched poop in the sink. How many times have I told you, Dion, go nuts to put food in the sink?
Anyways, my headphones are all the way up and you were screaming. I'm sorry. Who's that in the dark? Oh, don't scare me. That's so creepy. Nobody. Oh my god, don't say that. I do it too, just not too often. Yeah. How do I ask a girl out? I don't know. Seb, I know you were saying like, what should I put them on? Did you have any ideas?
What? I don't know, love.
Okay. I'm just gonna put them on top of this cupcake today.
That works. Like,
do I add the cheese now or in a bit?
Just add it to one. Just add it to one.
Why?
Because I want one without cheese.
You're always against my vegan cheese these days.
Why?
Which is fine, because I'm just gonna stop buying it. It's so expensive.
I know, $7. I was like, bitch.
$7.99. Like, in this economy. What were you thinking? Food in the sink? No, I do the dishes a lot more than Seb, so he has no right complaining about how my sink looks.
Because you keep putting food in the sink and it's gross.
That's my next song. My next bop. Food in the sink. Food in the sink. What do you think about food in the sink?
You're a goof.
I used to like not be able to deal with taking. My mom would like scoop the food out of the sink and throw it in the garbage, and I'm like, what? Not for me.
Yeah, but now it's your responsibility.
It's my yeah. No, I'm way better now. That's probably my favorite. Oh my god, we're number 51 on top broadcasters. Let's try to get in the top 10. But what was I saying?
I was saying that it's your fault that there's food in the sink now.
Food in the sink. Food in the sink. What do you think about food in the sink? It's a bop. Yeah, it sucks that we don't have like more opportunities come up where we can meet a bunch of you. Like really, we meet a lot of your playlists, but that's about it. So yeah, it'd be cool to tour one day and meet more of you. That'd be ideal. But you know, we just gotta keep working. So working hard, hardly working. It could stink if you let the food in the sink. Yes, exactly, Ron. You understand. At least somebody gets me. Love you, Elena. Have a good day. Good night. I was thinking of sending her a rose with a message to come. Oh, right. I didn't give you advice. I was thinking of sending her a rose with a message to come to some place, and I'll be there with a teddy bear and a fresh baked cookies. Well, if this person already knows you well and is comfortable with you, I'd say that's a good idea. If not, then maybe don't, because like, if I got a note from a stranger, I probably wouldn't show. But it's a cute idea. I like the concept. I'd say just you could just be like, hey, you want to go for coffee? And then when you meet up for coffee, you could give them whatever you want to give them. That'd be cute. We work out together every week, so yeah. Oh, okay, you work out together every week. Okay, yeah, then that's a really cute idea. I think they'll love it. And you can even set it up where like you're like, no pressure. Like, here's some roses or whatever you want to do. I have a crush on you, but I think it's really important, like, that you know that I value our friendship, so that if you don't want to be in a romantic relationship with me, I would really like to still be friends. I don't know. Does that make sense? Did you see Nikki's tutorials latest video? Who did not? Who didn't see Nikki's new video? It was everything I needed. I have only watched the first little bit because I was in class, but I'm going to finish watching it tonight. And I just read a lot of stuff about it online, and I'm really proud of her, honestly. You are a fine human being, and that goes for Seb too. Stay gold. Stay golden, Ronnie boy.
Thank you, Ronnie boy.
That's
Can you
very
move your
sweet.
laptop so I can put these
I
things?
don't have any makeup on right now, so that was a boost of confidence. What?
Can you move your laptop so I can put these in?
Yeah, I'm just gonna lower that Okay, we are good to go. Do you want me to go over here?
Yeah, wherever you want.
Okay, we're gonna go over here, friends. I can show you the guitar. I haven't showed anyone, but I'll give you all a sneak preview. Well, actually, no, that's not true. I forgot Seb vlogged giving me the guitar, so if you saw that, then. But I'm practicing every day because I want to get better, and practice makes perfect. And so this is the guitar Sebi got me for Christmas. I am absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, if you see me on tour one day, maybe I will be bringing this bad boy with me. I've been holding my breath, I've been counting to 10 over something you said. And I've been throwing back tears while you're holding back tears. I'm alone in bed. Sorry, it's hard. I need to look at the chords to do it. That's my F chord, which I struggle with, but it's sounding so much better.
I think it's on 2.
Huh?
I think it's on 2.
Yeah, I don't think it's tuned. One sec. I'm trying to learn how to tune it without using a tuner, like just with my ear. Thank you, Kurt. I think that was good. That sounds good enough for me. Let's see. You know I'm afraid of change. I guess that's why I stay the same. Sorry, y'all. It's like still a process being able to sing and play at the same time. But yeah, the color of it. Oh, thank you. I know. Seb said that the side reminds him of like cat fur, and now I can't unsee it. But that's okay. We love kitties up in here. So yeah. I love Cornelia Street. I don't remember the chords, but I do love playing it. It's like, I think it's... No. I need to look up the chords. Can you play Depressing December? No, I can't. I should be able to, but I haven't tried that yet. I just, like, I'm learning right now, so I'm trying to learn, and then maybe I'll play my own songs, because it's like, thank you so much, God, for the 200 likes. Love you. Should you put your name on the neck of it in Mother of Pearl? Should you put your name on the neck of it in Mother of Pearl? What's Mother of Pearl? That sounds cool. Where would I put the name? Like, on the neck? You mean the back?
The neck?
Or like up here? Yeah, this is the neck, no?
Yeah.
So where would I put it? Like here? On the back? Ooh, that'd be
No,
cool.
you can put it in the inside.
Aww. I'll put, I love you, Sebastian, because he got it for me. Oh my god, 20k likes? What's good, y'all? Let's get to 50k likes. I was learning Fluid, but I forgot it. Can you play Someone You Love by Lewis Capaldi? Sure, let me get my phone. I can look at the chords. Where's my phone? Do you see my phone in here?
No, I'll say, hey Siri.
Hey Siri. One sec, y'all. Hey Siri. Ow. I can't find my phone. Got it. Okay. Let me see what I can do here, people. I love that song, so good pick. I can play The Worst I Know. Oh my god! You can play my song on guitar. That's so cool. Oh my god, thank you. Just like for being amazing. That makes my heart feel so warm. What's the song called? Someone You Loved or Somebody You Loved? Someone You Loved. I think I've tried this one before. Let's see if the chords are hard. Yeah, we're just gonna have to put a pause on that. I have not learned some of those chords. So, any other suggestions? Oh, Under the Strings. Yeah, that'd be so cute. I love the drawing you made. I'm pretty sure I liked it, didn't I? How do I ask my best friend out? I've been friends with her for years and scared she'll hate me. Just be honest. Like, that's what I've always done. And, you know, you might not always get the reception you wanted, but at least you were honest with yourself and the other person. I have not heard Mocha in a while. Oh, Mocha's just chilling, being a cutie. Do your best. Do my best for someone you loved? I don't know. Let me see if there's any easier chords, because it'll take me too long to learn the other ones. Oh, this one's easier. C, G, A minor, F, D minor. Okay, I can do this one. Okay. Let's see. Does it show the strumming pattern? Oh, it's just up and down, up and down, up and down. That's so easy. Okay. Let's see. Here we go, y'all. I'm going under in this. Okay, thank you. Time I feel there's no one to save me. Okay. Is it the same thing again? Yeah. One sec. This all and nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at this. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, and somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. And I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. Sorry if I'm too loud, y'all. This song is a screaming one. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. And I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Ta-da. Oh, so rusty. I'm so sorry. Hey, thank you, Curtis. Yeah, it's a struggle. Like, I have a long way to go, but I do love playing, so I think I will get better. And I try to close my eyes, but it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms, and I'll be staying so till you come back around. For now, the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. Okay, that's enough. I'll stop killing your ears. Thank you. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you. War God, thank you. Carl. Carice, you should do Before You Go next. Before You Go. Oh, I am currently obsessed with that song. Louis Capaldi is just so good. Like, what a legend. I also, Conan Gray, is that his name?
I love that.
Yeah, I just started listening to his songs the other day, and they're so good. You maniac. And the story is really good. You should learn songs on guitar and singing them and posting them. This would be so cute. I have thought about posting that kind of stuff to my YouTube channel. So we'll see. As I get better at guitar, I think what I'll do is like maybe make original songs that I'm not like actually producing fully, and then like maybe put them on my YouTube channel, see which ones you all like, and then like make a fully produced version of those. I don't know. Why are you so cute, Sebby? I said, why are you so cute? Let me see if I can find the chords for before you go, and then we're gonna start eating because the garlic bread should be ready soon. 2 guitars sound good together. Perhaps one of you could play rhythm and the other play the notes. Ooh, I can't say I know how to like decipher which one's which at this point. Oh, I'm really rusty, but you know, I'm learning, people. I'm learning. I think if I practice every day like this for like 3 months, it'll get much better. Okay, before you go, is there any other chords? Because that one looks complicated. D, B minor. I know B minor. I remember that one. Okay, I know G. I know A. Okay, and I know F. What does it? Anyone know what it means when it's like F hashtag M? Because I've been wondering. Yeah, we live in Toronto. Okay, let me see if I can do this. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this one very well, y'all. I don't know the chords well enough. I feel by the wayside that everyone else. No, it's not gonna work out. I hate you because I barely know the lyrics. So before you go, I am forgetting that chords. Was there something I could have said to make it? If only I had known you were the storm to weather. So okay, we're gonna have to quit. Here, I promise I will learn some of these songs, and then maybe in a week we'll revisit this, and I'll be able to play y'all a full song. How does that sound? Because I'm getting embarrassed. I'm not prepared. What's everyone saying? Oh, it means sharp. F sharp. Okay, thank you. See, I'm like, isn't that G flat? Yeah, it's G. I don't know, this G. That's the one I was playing. You can't see, one sec. So yes. It would not be a waste, Alexia. You are amazing at drawing. Oh my god, I want to see. Don't ever like be afraid to create stuff, because I was always afraid to create music, and through creating, you get better. You learn about yourself, your skills, and like yeah. So even if like you make something you don't like how it turns out, or maybe you post it online, someone else reacts badly to it, like who cares? You're just learning, you're growing, and at least like you're trying. If you're too afraid to try, then you're never going to get anywhere. You have an aptitude and desire to get better, so you will be better. Thank you, Ron. I already like am way better than when I started, obviously, but also like even the strumming patterns and stuff, keeping up with those while I sing, I never like had that skill, and now I'm like getting better at it. So it's a work in progress, but it's also exciting. Ew, my ear feels really weird for some reason right now. It's tripping me out. Oh, sorry, y'all. That was gross. Seppi, you're so quiet. What? I'm cold. Oh, our friend got us this blanket.
It's so comfy.
Oh, it's great.
Ow, my legs. Is garlic bread ready?
Almost. Should I go check?
Yeah.
I love you.
Y'all, the cake we made on our Spanish channel is so good.
Soon, Mariah. Very, very soon.
Oh. Okay.
How do I know if it's done?
Taste it. I don't know. Yes, queens. Yes. The cake looks delicious. It was so good. Oh my god. I love it. I'm gonna eat some later. TBH. Yesterday our friends came over and I was like, do you guys want to take some cake? Because if you don't take some, I'm gonna finish it. But they did. Thank goodness.
Oh, hell no. I'm about to go up on a rant on your ass, Sebastian.
What?
He yells at me for leaving food in the sink. Yet he will empty the soup and then put the pan with the little leftover food back on the burning hot surface, which burns the food to the bottom of the pan and makes it so hard to get off. Who's the real crime person here?
You are.
You commit the crime. I cannot. I cannot. Do you guys want to see how the garlic bread turned out?
Yeah, can you bring me a piece?
Here's your piece.
Ah!
No,
Mocha!
not for you. Oh, that smells good.
Ah! What? It's so hot. It's so hot.
You gotta hold the side.
She's long.
Long and dangerous. If you're one of us, then roll with us.
What,
Because
Mocha?
we kids are hitsers. I don't know.
Wanna say hi?
I'm messing up all the lyrics. Yeah, I love me some large portions. Y'all don't even know the half of it.
Can you bring some garlic bread on a plate?
Quiero. I think we're gonna go and start eating. Okay. This has been great, y'all. We're gonna be Younowing on his Younow tomorrow. 2020 is gonna be super exciting, and we're gonna, be connecting with you guys in many more ways. But one of the ways is gonna be Younowing every day. That's one of our goals. So get excited for that. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Go check out our latest TikTok if you want to. Our TikTok is Sebastian. Go stream my music if you want to. I'm on all music platforms. Just search Dion Yorkie. We posted 3 videos yesterday. One on my channel, one on his channel, and one on our brand new Spanish channel, which is called
7 Dion.
7 Dion.
Go check it out.
Love you all so much. I hope you have a great day, a great night. Keep spreading love in this world. You're all so great and kind and inspiring. Love ya. Okay, that's it. Bye!